Hello again. Today we have Ferrari California Turbo fitted with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto in the original head unit. As you can see, click this button in the back of the steering wheel. We'll switch between original menu and click one more time. Back to CarPlay. Retains all the original Ferrari features and controls. Our kit is using the original Bluetooth audio for music and calls, so sound quality, call quality will be exactly the same. Touchscreen, quick, responsive, pretty much everything you need nowadays. If you own a Ferrari and you'd like to update your infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, just drop us a message and we can definitely help you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.